Stop by and take a look at the 2018 6 Series. The mission of the BMW 6 Series is to cover lots of road in a hurry while making you look and feel great, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, M Sport package, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.